Hi everyone, we are going to cook some pea dal. Now, it's a dry ingredient. They're quite hard. And what we're going to do is I'm going to measure 2 cups. My cup, you know my cup. 2 cups. 1. We go into this bowl. 1, you can see it. And 2. Here's my bowl of 2 cups. Okay, now what I've done, because it takes a long time to cook because it's dry and it's hard, what you do is you soak it overnight. Now you soak it, I put some boiling water over and then I just put a lid over it and I soaked it. Now this one's the dry one we've just measured now. Now I measured 2 cups of dry dal last night, and now I'm going to check them. What do you think might have happened to them? They've absorbed the water. Do you know what? I've got a bowl that's exactly the same size. We know about that, keeping things the same, fair, to see what happens. The only thing was that I added some hot water and I left it overnight. What's happened? It looks like Miss Carl was cheating and I put more in this one, didn't I? No, I didn't. These ones have absorbed some of the water and they've expanded. That means they've become bigger. If you actually look at the little, each little pea, the one that's been in the water overnight has got bigger. Can you see that? Yes. So, and it's also softer. You can actually eat that now. It's still crunchy and it's not so delicious because what we do with this is that we cook it and we cook it and we cook it until it's lovely and soft. And then we're going to add a few extra lovely ingredients to give it a lovely flavor. So, that's going to go on the stove with some more water and it's just going to cook and cook and cook until it's wonderful and mushy and soft. Okay, let's go for it. When you're adding your liquid for your dal, you can add a bit of vegetable stock. Now that's where, remember we made our carrots with our onions and some pepper dew and a bit of honey and lemon. I've saved the liquid from those vegetables. So it's lovely. It's got a bit of the sourness from the lemon and the heat from the chilies and a little bit of sweetness. And I'm going to use that with my dal. So it'll just give it a little bit of extra flavor while it is cooking. So I've poured that in. I'm going to add a little bit more liquid. And on the stove it goes. It goes and it goes and it goes. Let's have a look at our dal. It is boiling and we're going to skim off any of the scum that comes up because that can make your dal bitter. We don't want that, no. That's looking nice and clear now. So we leave that to cook until it's nice and soft as you want it to be. Okay, let's see how we are getting on with this lovely dal. It's been simmering away for about 3 hours, actually. Bubbling away. The texture is looking a little bit disintegrated. That means it's sort of breaking up a bit. Okay, it's not totally dissolved, but it's disintegrating. Shall we have a little taste and see how the texture is in our mouth? Yes. It does break up even very easily. It's nice and soft in your mouth. I'd like it to be a little bit even softer. Now, Lucy and Tefnut, they're outside enjoying the sun on the deck. They said, you know what? Why don't you put in some garlic and chili now? So, why not? So we've got some lovely garlic. See those nice big chunks of garlic there? Can you see? Yes, there we go. Nice big chunks of garlic. And I've got 3 green chilies as well. So I'm going to just pop those in, let those mix with that nicely. Hopefully they'll get like a bit nice and soft and tender. And then when that's all beautifully soft and mushy, then we are going to do the onions and the garlic and chili to add to it afterwards. So this is going in now. See how it works? Okay. Sorted. Let that just bubble and cook away some more. I think we'll leave it maybe for another hour. What do you think? It's just on very low and it's just simmering away. It's actually got a lovely flavor from that water, that stock water that we put in, that vegetable stocky water. Right, so it goes back on. Let it carry on. I'll bring the heat up a little bit again because the lid's been off. When the lid comes off, the heat, it gets a bit cooler and then it starts to go off the simmer. So it stops bubbling so much. We don't want to blah, 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 but we want it to be carry on bubbling. So I'll just put it up a little bit so that it can come back to that nice gentle bubble. Turn it down and let it carry on some more. Okay, with our dal, as it starts to disintegrate and break up, that's when you need to stir it a little bit every now and again, just to make sure it doesn't catch on the bottom of your pot. And we've put our trivet there. Yes, our little trivet. Yes. Whoops. We put that on our stove. We put our trivet on our stove so that it keeps the direct heat, so it's not so intense. And it just keeps bubbling over. We give it a stir. And see when it's ready. Let's have another check of this. Shall we try? Let's taste. That is really wonderful. It's sort of creamy the way it is. I think that's practically ready. Those two are going to want to come and sort out the rest. Okay, so we added even more water and it's quite runny now. That's what we want. We want a nice runny consistency. Okay, so we let it cook for a little bit longer and we added some more liquid. Look at that. Look at that. Yes, you can see now. Hey? Nice. Oh yes, those little lumps, those are the bits of dissolving garlic. They will just melt away. Now it is the time to prepare the chutney, which is going to get added to that. So let's pop the lid back on there and let's go and see what ingredients we need for our chutney.